Okay, very quick one. I want to just show you something on your phone. Um, uh, the phone you're using. You know, there are so many things that we have in this phone, but you probably do not know that that is how they work. All right, so I want to just show you a very simple thing on your phone, that phone you are using, and what I'm showing you is this and this. Can you see it on your phone? Wait, let me that's look at this box here. Can you see it on your phone? Now you have, I will be looking at this and this. All right, so quickly let me show you something. Now what they mean is, let me start with this is when you want to search the Google using photo, using image. Okay, now you do not want to type, or you see an image but you don't really know the source of the image, or you want to use the image to know stories around that image. You understand? Or probably you don't even know the name of the image, so you want to know the name, or you want to know what has been written around that image, you know, or anything on Google around that image. You use this to search the image. Why the other one is for voice, something you want to know, maybe it's a music, or you want to search something, you can just talk, and then they they will just pop up the answer for you on Google. It's very interesting, and you see, Oyibo people, they make things very easy. It's here in Africa that people believe that you must suffer for anything you want to do, including to make money. So they believe that any money you do not suffer to make is not a good money. Okay, but people don't think like that, and they don't believe such things. So they make things very easy. So let me show you very quickly. Now I will start with this the image, and let's assume I want to, let's search. I just tap on it. Now look at this. I just, okay, it says because my recorder is using camera, so it says the audio will not play, okay, the microphone, but don't worry, I got that covered. I will do something about it, but let's just see how it goes. Okay, now I tapped on that. Now let's go back. I tapped on this, so just tap on that. So I tap on this. Now it comes up here. So let's see, I'm going to show you two ways you can do this. Okay, now first let me just say I want to search something. Okay, let me just search this downloads. Okay, so let me say I have some images here. Now let me okay, let me tap on this, so it searches. Now look at this. Okay, so it has brought out stories. All right, so it's showing you, maybe you see the logo, you don't really know what the logo is. Okay, let me cut it like this. Okay, maybe you've seen this logo, you don't really know, so it's bringing out, it's telling you that it's a logo that belongs to Assemblies of God, and it has a lot of stories surrounding Assembly. So maybe you want to read stories concerning Assemblies of God, you just use the logo and search for it. Okay, so let's say um let me check something. Okay, let me use this image. This is one of the products that I sell. This is one of the products in my affiliate marketing. So I'm using it now. So and maybe I want to know if this image has been used somewhere else, or the components here or stories surrounding it. Now you see it's bringing out stories. So it's, maybe you don't know what the image is all about, so it's telling stories, social media marketing, social media optimization. Okay, it's bringing out stories. Maybe you want to read stories about social media marketing and optimization and all that, you can just use the image. It brings us a whole lot of them. Okay, you start um okay, let's see. Okay, let's use this image again. This is our dear president and our dear CBN governor. So I've selected that image, so it's now giving us stories, okay, stories around them. Okay, so it's bringing out stories. So bringing out stories. Okay, let's see. Let's use this one. Okay, let's see what it's going to do. Okay, it has selected this one. Now you see the box here. You see the box. Always know the box. That is where it's searching. Now you see the box here. This is why it's searching. You see this box. You see the four corners here. You see the four corners. Okay, so that's where it's searching. All right. So you see it. Now it's now look at it searching. Now it's bringing out stories surrounding Emefiele. Okay, news and stories surrounding the person. Maybe you don't know his name or you don't know who he is. Maybe you just see the picture, you don't know who he is. What you just do is just use the image and search. Okay, let's extend it. I'm extending it now. Let me move this thing up a bit. Now I'm extending it now. Okay, it has extended the story to bring in the president. Okay, bring in the president and the other economic stories, all right, that relates to that and those and that picture. Okay, let's still search. Let me see if I can search for something. Okay, let me use this. Maybe you see this picture. Let's see this picture now. This picture. Maybe you see the picture. You do not know who is there, and probably you're looking for some stories around this picture. So you just use the picture. Probably you don't know what to type. You just use the picture. Now it's already bringing out stories, all right. So but you just have to extend it so that it will give you the exact thing you are looking for. All right, so you see where that image was used in a news story. You see where it was used in a news story. You see stories surrounding this image. All right, stories surrounding this image. That's the Sharia police and the Hizbah Sharia and all that. So you see, he's bringing up stories. So that's how to search. Very simple with your image. You probably see that on your phone, but you don't know how to use it. Now, the next way to use this image is I will be going off camera so I can use this camera. I can use the camera. You can also, maybe you're going along the road or you have a picture, you have something, an object in your hand, and you want to snap it. You want the camera to snap it and then Google it for you. Okay, so I will be going off my camera now. So you just tap on the camera. Okay, let's say I put it on this and then you tap on search. Okay, let me extend it a bit. Okay, so you see it's showing you stories surrounding canned water, okay, bottled water. It's showing you stories surrounding that. It's bringing up Coke, he's seeing the bottle and it's telling you a lot of stories around it. Okay, let's say I want to search for, okay, let's say I want to search for this now. Let's say I want to search for this. Let me search for this bangle. Okay, let's reduce it a bit and see what happens. Okay, see what is bringing out for us. It's bringing out for us. Okay, it's showing the diamonds and the ring and the bangles and all that. Okay, so it's showing you probably stories you may need to know about them. Let me still structure it another way and then see what it will bring out. Let me still reduce it now. So it's still showing us bangles, okay, bangles, similar bangles, and probably where you can buy them and all that, their names and all that. Okay, that you just put the camera on anything, it shows you what to do, shows you what to do. Okay, so That's how that one works. And then we are going to look at this now. This quickly. Okay, so you want to find something. All right, so you tap on it. You tap on it. APC primary election. All right, so it's bringing out a whole lot of stories surrounding APC primary elections, APC primary elections, and news in Nigeria. Okay, and news in Nigeria. Okay, now it's here. You can continue from here. Now look at it here. You can always continue from there. Okay, so I tap it again. So I didn't say anything. It was listening. It didn't hear anything. So it go back to where it was. So all right. So now I want to search for another thing. Ukraine and Russian war. All right, a whole lot of stories surrounding that. A whole lot of stories surrounding that, including videos and all that and all that. Let me search for another thing now. Let me search for a music. Let me search for a music and see what happens. Jehovah Jireh, my provider, Chimamanda. Okay, so he's showing us the music, Chimamanda, sung by Flavor. All right, and it gives you the lyrics and all that. So probably you have a song, you do not know who sang it, and you want to know. Okay, you just search it. Okay, let me search. You can also play a music and see what happens. I'm flying without wings. Alright, so he's showing us who sang that. So I say, I'm Flying Without Wings, sung by Westlife. Okay, it's a Westlife song. So he's now giving you the lyrics and all that. So you can just use it instead of typing, you talk and they do the searching for you. Instead of typing, you use image, whether in your phone, whether you are snapping it. Okay, so that's it. Enjoy your phone, alright? There is so much to know.